Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take 3 terracotta pots and turn them into fall decorations. Okay, so for this project I am reusing 3 of my terracotta pots. You'll also need some decorative napkins. I'm using napkins with a fall theme. And you'll also need some acrylic paint. I'm just using different colors like orange, gold, cream, brown, red, and you can also mix the colors as well. You'll also need some artificial flowers and any assorted fall decorations. I found these little wooden decorations at my local Dollar Tree. You'll also need some Mod Podge. I'm also using some burlap ribbon, and then I have another ribbon here, it's orange. And here I have some assorted pumpkins. This is optional, but I'm adding this into the decoration as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is start off with painting the first pot. I decided to use a cream color for my first pot. Okay, so for my second pot, I decided to apply brown paint. And for my third pot, I am applying an orange color paint. Okay, so now we're ready to work with the ribbon. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm just going to cut a section off. And after cutting that, I will then take my ribbon and I will wrap it around my pot just to make sure that it fits. Okay, so after wrapping it around, I'll just cut the section off that I'll need. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and make a cut down the middle of the burlap ribbon. I pretty much wanted to do this just to create a thinner ribbon for around my pot. Okay, so once I have done that, I will take my second ribbon and I'll do the exact same thing. I'll just cut a section and then I will wrap that around my pot, making sure that it fits, and then I'll take my scissors and cut it down the middle before I wrap it around my pot. And this, once again, I'm just creating a thinner ribbon around my pot. Okay, so now we're ready to attach the burlap ribbon to the pot. You'll just take some hot glue and apply that onto the pot and press your burlap ribbon down onto the hot glue. Once you have done that, you'll take the other end, wrap it around the pot, and then glue that section off as well. Once you have done this, you will take your second burlap ribbon and repeat this on your second pot. And then once you have done that, you'll take your third ribbon and just repeat this step onto your third pot. Okay, so now we're ready to apply some acrylic paint to the 3 fall decorations. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to be using orange, and also I have brown. And I'll just apply my acrylic paint to each of the fall decorations. Okay, so now we're ready to work with the decorative napkin and the Mod Podge. So what we'll do is we will take the napkin and your scissors, and you will cut out the decoration that you will want to use on your design. Once you have cut out your decorations, be sure to remove the second layer of your napkin. Okay, so now we're ready to work with the Mod Podge. You'll just take a small paintbrush and apply a thin layer of Mod Podge onto your fall decoration. I decided to put my decorative napkin over each of the fall decorations. Like, so here I have a yellow flower that I'll be adding onto the fox. And then once you have applied your decorative napkin, be sure to take a thin layer of your Mod Podge and apply it over the top surface of the napkin. Okay, so I decided to attach some craft sticks onto each of the fall decorations using hot glue. This will help for when we insert the fall decorations into the terracotta pots. Okay, so what we're going to do is insert the foam blocks into each of the terracotta pots. I also added some of the scrap napkins that I had left over. I added that as well into my pots just to help for when we insert the decorations, just to lift them a little higher. Okay, so all that's left is just to add in your fall decorations and your artificial flowers and your assorted fall decorations. I hope that you have enjoyed this simple fall DIY. Thank you all so much for joining me and creating with me. I'll see you soon.